Hi guys, Pixel Forge here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to move games from disc to disc on Steam. As we all know, Steam is one of the most popular gaming platforms for PC gamers, and its library of games is constantly growing. However, with all those games come large files that can take up a lot of space on your hard drive. If you're running out of space on one disk, you can move games to another disk to free up space. Here's how to do it. The first step is to open Steam and access your game library. You can do this by clicking on the Library tab at the top of the Steam window. Once you're in your library, find the game you want to move to a different disk. Right-click on the game's name to access a drop-down menu. Select Properties from the menu. In the Game's Properties menu, click on the Local Files tab. This will give you options related to the game's local files. In the Local Files tab, click on the Move Install Folder button. This will allow you to move the game's installation files to a different disk. Select the disk where you want to move the game to. Click on Move Folder to confirm the move. Steam will begin moving the game's installation files to the new disk location. This process may take some time, depending on the size of the game and the speed of your disks. Once the move is complete, Steam will update the file paths for the game. You should now be able to launch the game from the new disk location. Double-click on the game's name in your library to launch it. Moving games from one disk to another on Steam is a great way to free up space on your hard drive without deleting your games. With these simple steps, you can quickly and easily move games to a different disk and keep playing your favorite games. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to press the thumb up and the subscribe button for more content like this. See you soon.